Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 10th, today I have chosen a topic from your English book, that is a short story, Out of Business. Out of Business is a short story written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is a well-known poet, writer. He gave a new face to the Indian writing in English. He is known for his simple and elegant style of writing. बहुत ही शानदार किस्म के उसके राइटिंग का जो स्टाइल था, that was a very elegant, very beautiful. He also condensed and simplified the epics Ramayana and the Mahabharata. The writer here says that if we will see the books, should we follow shortcut methods in life to solve our problems? For example, dear students, if you are facing some problems in your life, should you follow shortcut methods or क्या हमें शॉर्टकट तरीकों से अपने मामले हल करने चाहिए? अगर खुदा न खास्ता आपकी ज़िंदगी में कोई मामला आ जाता है, क्या आपको शॉर्टकट तरीके से वो मामले हल करने चाहिए? नहीं. ये जो है, वी नीड टू मेंटेन आवर कूल एंड फाइट आउट द क्राइसिस. वी हैव टू मेंटेन आवर कूल. हमें अपने जहन को जो है ठंडा रखना चाहिए और कोई ऐसा तरीका ढूंढना चाहिए जिसमें अगर वक्त भी लग जाता है तो इससे हमें नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल बी एबल टू फाइट आउट द क्राइसिस. उसके बाद हम जो क्राइसिस हैं उनको हम फाइट आउट कर सकते हैं. देयर इज़ नो सबस्टिट्यूट टू हार्ड वर्क. हार्ड वर्क को कोई सबस्टिट्यूट नहीं है. देयर इज़ नो सबस्टिट्यूट टू हार्ड वर्क. इफ़ यू हैव टू हार्ड वर्क, यू मस्ट हार्ड वर्क एंड यू शुड नॉट फाइंड a simple way, you should not find a shortcut way to get out this problem, but you should work hard and later on you will find this will be a very much beneficial for you. It pays in the long run because the hard work pays in the long run. It takes time. जो आप मेहनत करते हैं इसमें कुछ वक्त लग जाता है और ये बाद में आपका जो है मतलब पे करेगा. इट विल पे यू इन द लॉन्ग रन. ये आपको फिर बाद में फ़ायदा पहुंचाएगा. तो एज फार एज दिस शॉर्ट स्टोरी इज कंसर्न, little over a year ago, Rama Rao went out of work when a gramophone company, of which he was the Malgudi agent, went out of existence. Little over a year ago means एक साल के बाद जो रामा राव था, he went out of work, वो काम से निकला. जहाँ पर वो काम करता वहाँ से वो निकला क्योंकि जो ग्रामाफोन, जिस कंपनी में वो काम करता था, ग्रामाफोन कंपनी, that has collapsed, वो उसका एजेंट था. went out of, वो गायब ही हो गई. वो कंपनी, ग्रामाफोन कंपनी जो that was out of existence, वो ख़त्म होने जा रही थी. he had put into that agency the little money he had inherited as security. He had some money and he had put that money into that little company, as a security. उसके पास कुछ पैसे थे इनहेरिट, जिनका वो मालिक था, जिनका वो वारिस था, और वो पैसे उसने उस कंपनी में लगाए थे सिक्योरिटी के तौर पर. For 5 years his business brought him enough money, and during 5 years his business, जो उसका बिजनेस था, उसने उसको बहुत कुछ दिया था, बहुत पैसे दिए थे. Just enough to help him keep his wife and children in good comfort, and in that money he could easily get his wife and to keep his wife and his little child in a very good comfort, in a very luxurious mood. He built a small bungalow in the extension, and he had constructed a small bungalow, एक छोटा सा घर भी उसने बनाया था in the extensions, and was thinking of buying an old baby car for his use, and now he was thinking, he has planned to buy a car for his personal use. Inherit means to receive property etc. from someone after his death. Inherit, to receive property etc. from somewhere after his death, यानी बाप की जो अगर कोई जायदाद होती है तो फिर बच्चे को मुंतकिल हो जाती है उसके मरने के बाद, दैट इज कॉल्ड इनहेरिट, वारिस. And one day it was a bolt from the blue. The crash came. So what happened during the one day? The company failed. The company collapsed. Bolt from the blue. The crash came. A series of circumstances in the world of trade, commerce, banking, and politics was responsible for it. So there was a series of circumstances. Why the company failed? There was a series of circumstances. कुछ हालात हो गए, लगातार कुछ ऐसे हालात हो गए पूरी दुनिया के अंदर. In the world of trade, यानी तुजारत की दुनिया में, कॉमर्स में, बैंकिंग में, and politics, that was responsible for this collapse. The gramophone company, which had its factory somewhere in northern India, automatically collapsed. And the gramophone company, which had its headquarters in northern India somewhere, that automatically collapsed, fall down. Collapse means fall down. COLLAPSE. Collapsed means fall down. That company had fallen down. When a bank in Lahore crashed, and there was a bank in Lahore, Pakistan, that has also crashed, that has also collapsed, which was itself the result of a Bombay financier's death. So there was a death in Bombay, a financier's death. So a person who was a financier, he met with a death. So the financier was driving downhill when his car flew off sideways and came to rest 300 feet below the road. He was driving a car. The financier was driving a car, and he was driving downhill. He was coming from the hill, and his car flew off sideways and came to rest 300 feet, and he fall down in a 300 feet below the road. It was thought that he had committed suicide, and it was at that pretended that someone pretended that he had committed a suicide because the previous night his wife eloped with his cashier, because during the previous night he has some quarrel. He had a quarrel with his wife. So it was pretended that, it was thought that. Rama Rao suddenly found himself in the streets. What happened to Rama Rao? He found himself in the streets. He was wandering here and there. At first, he could hardly understand the full significance of this collapse. First of all, he was understanding. He was trying to understand what would happen after this collapse. What is the significance? इसकी अहमियत क्या, इस collapse की अहमियत क्या रहेगी? There was a little money in the bank, and he had some stock on hand. Rama Rao had some money in the bank, and he had some stock in his hand. कुछ पैसे भी थे और कुछ माल भी उसके हाथ में था. But the stock moved out slowly. But the stock in the house, in the home, that moved, they consumed it slowly. The price was going down, and the prices were going down. कीमत जो है वो लगातार गिरता जा रहा था, and he could hardly realize a few hundred rupees. Now he had remained few hundred rupees in his pocket. When he applied for the refund of his security, Rama Rao, when he forwarded an application for the refund which he has given for security deposits, there was hardly anyone at the other end to receive his application. So there was nobody in the company who could even receive his application. So nobody was there in the company. Company has completely collapsed. The money in the bank was fast melting. The money in the bank that was fast melting means that was वो बहुत ही तेजी से गायब हो रहा था पैसा. Rama Rao's wife now tried some measures of economy. Now his wife, she tried something. What she did, she sent away the cook and the servant. Now he sent away. There was a cook and the servant in his house. He uh, उसने उनको मतलब घर से निकाल दिया, उनको मतलब छुट्टी की. Withdrew the children from fashionable nursery school, and he withdraw his children who were studying in a fashionable nursery school, and he got them admission and sent them in a free primary school, and he sent them in a government run school, and they let out their bungalow, and they also uh, let out to sell their bungalow and moved to a very small house, and they moved to a rented house behind the market, that was behind the market. Ramarao sent out a dozen applications a day and wore his feet out looking for employment. Now Ramarao is going to different offices for seeking job. He's giving applications. For a man approaching 40, looking for employment does not come very easily. So Ramarao was 40 years old, and it was not possible for him to get the job, because a 40-year person, to get a job for the 40-year person, it was difficult for at that time, not come very easily, especially when he has just lost an independent lucrative business. And it was just when he has lost his business also. He has lost his profitable business. Ramarao is very business-like in stating his request. Ramarao says that he's a business-like person when he is requesting, when he is applying for the job. He sent his card in and asked, "I wonder, sir, if you could do something for me." He sent his card inside the office and request that if they could help him something. "My business is all gone through no fault of mine." He told there that he has lost his business, and there was no fault of him. उसका उसमें कोई fault नहीं था. "I shall be very grateful if you can give me something to do in your office." And he is requesting the office bearers that if there is some job for him, if they will help him by providing some job to him. So inshallah tomorrow we will see what will happen to Ramarao and how he managed to run his business, and how he make the life of his wife and his children comfortable. Tomorrow we will see inshallah. Thank you.